4 boxes that recognize what? What are those 4 symbols?
Those 4 symbols are your senses?
Yes, very good. They are the 4 senses, and they are, what is this class altogether?
See,
See?
touch, hear, smell.
Very good. So on your graphic organizer, you will be using your own animals, but for our example, we're going to describe
Elephants.
an elephant, okay? So let's think of some descriptive details using some of the techniques that we're working with to describe an elephant's appearance or the way they look. Jesse, you want to think about it for a minute?
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll give you an example. I'll use alliteration, which is using the first consonant sounds. And I'm going to describe my elephant as grumpy, gray, and what consonant sounds are in the beginning for alliteration? Gr. G-R. Okay? G-R. Very good. I also have another picture of a few elephants. So one more for an elephant's appearance. Maybe just one word and that'll help some out.
Tall.
Tall, okay. Jesse?
Yeah, I was gonna say the same thing.
Same thing?
Fat.
Fat. Or we can say large. Does anyone remember one of our vocabulary words that we use to describe large? Evan?
Enormous.
Enormous.
Colossal and
Wow, okay. Keep going.
enormous, colossal, and tremendous.
Okay. But we had a vocabulary word.
Mountain. Mountainous.
Mountainous, yes. Mountainous. And just from the words that have been provided, we have some end consonant sounds.
S.
S and S. Yes, Jesse, very good. And A.
Tall, large.
Let's think of one for A. So we said grumpy, gray, tall, fat, large, enormous, mountainous. Evan, you also said tremendous?
Yeah.
Tremendous. That's a good one too.
And then the S.
And the S. Very good, Jesse. What about the sounds? What sounds do elephants make? And don't just think about the sounds that you hear that they make, but when they're stomping through the yard or through the jungle.
You hear boom, boom, boom on the ground.
Very good. Using those sound effects. Thank you, Jesse.
You can hear them when you can hear them make the noises with their trunk.
Okay. Noises. And what noise is that? What's the noise that they make? Who can tell me what's that noise elephants make? I know you all know it. Evan?
Like kind of like
What's it sound like?
something with like a woo or something.
Okay, ah-woo. We can put that.
This was mostly about a whale.
Sounds like a whale, definitely. So we have boom boom, ow. But does it look, Jesse?
It sounds like a loud squeaking.
Loud squeaking, okay. SQU. Sorry. Okay, very good. So we're getting the idea. What about the way an elephant feels? How many have actually touched an elephant? Jesse?
It felt really rough.
Rough? Definitely. Or you can even imagine how it feels just by looking at the pictures. Evan?
Bumpy.
Bumpy? Mia, how do elephants feel?
They feel sticky.
Sticky? Yeah, they can feel, when they get out of the muddy water, they can definitely feel sticky.